Hello my people, welcome back to another TikTok tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to recharge your TikTok coins without using your credit card. First, to be able to do that, we have to do a two-part. First part, let's go to Google Play Store, and for you to be able to recharge, you have to go to any supermarket near you. You buy a Google Play. If you buy a Google Play redeem code, if you go to your Google Play Store, from there you go to your account. If you go to your account, you are seeing the right here, payment and subscription. You click on it. After click on it, you come to this interface. You will see a redeem code, right? You click on the redeem code. So now at that card you buy, they will give you a one code. That code you have to put here. So now let's put our own. Confirm account. Right, so the first part is done. Right now we are in our TikTok account, so let's go to our profile. If you go to profile, you go to this three dot right corner here. You go to settings and privacy. From there you come to balance. From there you come to recharge. For instance, let's say we want to charge 23 euro, that is 1,400 coins. Let go. You click on it. Agree and continue. You see the Google Play. Right now here you have a different option. You can use your Google Pay or MasterCard, or you can even add your credit card, or add your PayPal. So me, I already have my MasterCard and my Google Play. So let's go buy. Now let me put my password. Payment successfully. Alright, we have a 0, so let's see now how much we have. 1,400 coins. So that is how you charge your TikTok coins without using your credit cards. That's all what I have for you today. See you in the next video.